Well, the question is, a person pushes a box on a rough horizontal platform surface. He applies a force of 200 Newton over a distance of 15 meters. Then, thereafter, he gets progressively tired and he applies force reduces linearly with distance to 100 Newton. The total distance through which the box has been moved is 30 meters. What is the work done by the person during the total movement of the box? Okay, out of the four options, we need to choose the correct option, and it is the previous year question, okay, 2020 mains September lot. Here on the rough surface, the object is pulled, but the force is variable actually. Okay, total displacement is given, that is 30 meters, but the force is variable. First, the force is constant for some distance. Well, and the force is constant at 200 Newton. Then it reduces, okay, linearly. 200 means this point is at 100, okay, and this point is at 50, this point is at 30, okay. So we need to calculate the total work done. We know that total work done is equal to what? Work done is just integration of F dot ds only, and which is nothing but area under AFS graph. So here we can calculate the area. Okay, this one is a rectangle one, and this part is a trapezium one. Okay, for the rectangle part, the area is 200 into 15 only. Breadth is 15, height is 200. Okay, and for the trapezium part, the area of trapezium is what? Half into sum of the parallel sides and the gap. Okay, this side is 200, this side is 100. So it is 200 plus 100, and the gap between them is 15 only. So once you calculate all these things, you are going to get 5250 joule. So out of the four options, the D option is correct.